I would like to address what Walter is bringing here in. He seems very concerned and even upset in a way, claiming that when you start talking about people in heaven are going to heaven, you're denying the resurrection, you are going into some sort of a traditional church-invented phrase. We need to talk about this because I want to say this very kindly, but I want to say this directly. This is a case of somebody straining at a gnat and swallowing a camel. See, Walter, as you are delineating all of this, you're missing the big picture, is that heaven is a general term. There is not a capital H there in American English over the front gate and saying, welcome to heaven. The term simply means the lofty, the heights. Shemayim in the Hebrew, the lofty. Oranis in the Greek, the lofty, the heights. Up, what's above us. You can see, as you see in 2 Corinthians chapter 12 and verse 4, as Paul delineates this. In the day that Paul was writing the Corinthian epistles, for example, the Jewish culture, they might be sitting around talking about the thunderstorm that was in the first heaven. Didn't have anything to do with God's domain or getting there. It's talking about what is above us. The things in power above our realm being held down by gravity. The second one, outer space, maybe a meteorite or a comet. They're talking about the second heaven. Then when Paul gets very specific and says, I went to the third heaven, people say, well, now that realm above us, well, that's God's headquarters. That's God's home. You see, everything was above. It's a general term. And so, Walter, when you start going in here and going into a tirade about, no, this is denying this and that. No, it's just saying this. When the believer passes from this life, they go to be with God in his kingdom, which is above us. It's not on this realm. The believers in the end times, as we see, 2 Peter chapter 3, the Oranis, the heavens, the firmaments, both outer space, atmosphere, and God's domain will all be replaced. The final destination for the believer is here on earth. So the height now becomes the horizon. Revelation 21 and verse 3, God will be with us. So I just wanted to bring that up because you seemed a little bit uptight about this in going into a specific word, and you're just missing the boat on the beauty of saying, we're with the Lord. I hope this helps. And Walter, if you have another question, please write me, okay?